As you can see, the aim of today is to introduce you to DAFNI, the Data and Analytics Facility for National Infrastructure, and to show how DAFNI can be used in transport research in particular. And this morning is split into two main sessions focusing on those two topics with a break at half time. Before we get started though, let me introduce myself. My name is Adrian Hickford and I'm here in two capacities really. I'm here as a member of the Transportation Research Group at the University of Southampton with a fairly recent interest in transport modelling. I'll be sharing that with you later this morning. I'm also one of a small number of so-called DAFNI champions, hence this delightful background. And we've been working with the DAFNI team over the last few months to try to provide examples of how DAFNI can be used, and also acting as advocates for the facility within our universities. And I thought it would be a good idea to expand that slightly and host an event focused on transport research in particular. So to get things started today, we have an overview and some demonstrations from the DAFNI team, which will be followed by a Q&A session. I'd just like to ask Marianne Samler, who is DAFNI's partnership manager, to say a few words about that Q&A session and that we'll be using Slido to help identify the main topics to focus on. So Marianne, over to you, and then we'll hear from Brian Matthews.